Hi my friends, nice to see you in the 11th vlog. In the last video we had painted vintage vinyl combined with a retro background color on a terracotta pot. Today, let painted a cool girl with the hippies' style and sunflowers background on terracotta pot, together. Let's get to work. There is a source of life that functions within us. We can either simply worship it or access it consciously. If we access it consciously, we call this inner engineering. For those of you who don't know, this is our website, and on 4 quarters we will have a lot of offers waiting for you. Let's visit and discover together. If you shift from unwillingness to willingness, from inertia to effervescence, your life will be joyful and effortless. And one day, when you look back, you will see you have lived a spectacular life. If you are watching my videos until now, then you are definitely our precious friends. And we will give you a 5% discount right away when you buy your first order on our website. Code Thank You 5. Hurry up. There are many unique gifts waiting for you. A cute terracotta pot for the hippies who love their style. Highlight your favorite houseplants with this cute hand-painted pot. The terracotta pot is perfect for making pen stands, houseplants, tabletop pots, makeup cases, flower pots, and more. A perfect gift for anyone who grows and loves hippie style. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to keep up with me. I have a lot of unique ideas that I want to share with you all. Thank you.